Hello everyone, my name is Shorav and welcome to my fifth video of HTML5 tutorial series. Okay, in our last tutorial we discussed about the beer tag, h tags and the image tag. Today we are going to discuss about the attributes of different HTML elements. Okay, so let's begin. Alright, all HTML elements can have attributes. Okay, be it p tag, be it body tag, head tag, be it HTML tag. Okay, attributes provide additional information about an element. Okay, so it can provide the width and height, it can provide the source of a link, like that. Attributes are always specified in the start tag. Like this is the start tag, attributes should be defined here in the start tag. Okay, and attributes usually come in name value pairs, like name equal to value. We will discuss that with examples right now. Okay, so let's delete all this. We will first discuss about the href attribute. Okay, as you know, in the last tutorial we discussed about the anchor tag. So how an anchor tag is written? Anchor tag is written like this: a, then href, then equal to, then within double quotes we write the link of the website, like this. Alright, then we close the double quotes and then close the anchor tag as well, like this. Then write the link text and then finally close the anchor tag like this. So here href is the attribute of the anchor tag. Alright, so next we save it and we can check it in our browser. Here it is appearing like this. So if you click it, it will take you to the Google website. Alright, so next attribute we are going to discuss is the src attribute. Alright, just let's add this within p tag. Let's add this within h tag, that will be better. So as we discussed in the last tutorial about the image tag, today also we will discuss about the image tag and its attribute. Image tag attribute, how to write an image tag. First we write a less than sign, then img src, then within double quote we write the name of the image, then we write the width, and height. So far we knew that this is how the image tag is written, where src, width and height are the attributes of the image tag. src is the source of the image, where the image is placed in your server, and width and height are the width and height of the image in pixels, we don't need to write any pixel value here. Here in HTML5 you can just write the value of the pixel. So here, as you can see here, this is the name of the attribute and this is the value of the attribute. This is the name of the attribute and this is the value of the attribute. This is the name, this is the value. Alright. One more attribute that is important for image tag is the alt tag. Okay. Why we write alt tags? Say alt tags are generally used when when the image is missing in the server, then alt tag is useful. Okay. Let's see how it is used. First, we define the alt tag like this. And save it. Here, there is not much difference. It is same, but alt tag will be useful. Alt tag is useful. Say if you mix the name of the image, if you mistyped the name of the image, then what will happen? See here. As you can see, if you miss the name of the image, here it shows the text from the alt tag. Alright. So that's how the alt tag is useful. So if you understand this, we are ready to move on to our next tutorial. That's it for now. In our next tutorial, we'll be discussing about two more HTML attributes and the use of single or double quotes within HTML attributes. Thanks guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Till then, bye.